What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of League of Legends. Welcome back to League of Legends. Don't ask me what that was. I was looking at a message because, I mean, it's important. We're planning to watch Assassin's Creed, the movie, which is actually the next day after. I've already seen the movie because this video is coming out the day after. I wouldn't see the movie, but it was a great movie. No? Okay. Well, anyways, yeah, we're... Aurelion Soul's my support. Swag. But yeah, gonna go do that. We're making plans for, Edge of the Empire Star Wars, Dungeons & Dragons, which is... I regret giving my guy this jungle if he plays Club Penguin. I mean, Club Penguin is a great game when I was 10. But, yeah, I'm having fun just dodging these... Oh no! Don't fuck it up. Dodging these balls. But yeah, we're making plans for that. Making plans for Assassin's Creed, because I've always wanted to see the movie. Because it just looks good. Oh boy, all that CS that I missed was sad. We are fighting a Leona though, which is spooky. I mean, I'm not exactly too worried about the Lucian, but this Leona is terrifying. Are you doing under me? Alright, you? Me? Okay, okay, alright. But yeah, not looking forward to find this Leona. She's the god of CC, so I mean, come on. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. A gank? Yeah. Alright. Ah man, that was bad. Great way to start, man. Great way to start. Still have a cold. This can has Ignite, so that's weird. Well, not weird, I mean he's fighting a Riven, and I'm missing most of the S because I suck.
An enemy has been slain.
On the bright side of higher CS than him. My hair is being stupid for some reason, it's bothering me, so that's why I kept on fixing it. I look like one of them girls in the movies who just part their hair over. I'm sorry if you're a girl and watch my video and do that. had to burn both my summoners there. That was sad. This Lee Sin is a dick and wants to sit there and try to gank me. The Von. Nah, I don't like that. Boop. Silver 1 death, 2 assists. Not doing good. Not doing good at all. Will we redeem ourselves? I don't know yet. I mean, we have that level 7, so maybe we can pull out some chin out of our butt cheeks and see if we can do good. I don't think we can, but who knows, man? Who knows? Ouch, my finger. I wrestled a kitten the other day, or all weekend, and it won. It like if I had a camera that was like HD, I would show you my hand. It just looks like I just punched a whole bunch of wood, like I'm trying to be Minecraft and just break a tree down with my fist, and it's just there's scratches everywhere, and it looks terrible.
An ally has been slain.
Bryce, I don't know where Jen or Zen is. Hi. I'm blinking a lot like I'm tired, but I slept till like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I stayed up all night watching some TV show on Netflix, and I was like intrigued. That was satisfying.
An enemy has been slain.
How you doing? Thanks for dropping by. That was bad, I'm sorry.
An enemy has been slain.
Poof.
An enemy has been slain.
That was bad. I missed all my saves there. Send back for more? No, that's awkward.
Rampage.
my god. Can I get a little snipe off? Yeah! I got my little snipe off. No, I'm not gonna say anything. Boop. Hello. How you doing, Mr. Leeson? I don't think you should be coming up here, down here. Yeah.
An enemy has been slain.
Please, team, carry me some more. I am a boosted freaking animal. Holy God. I'm getting carried so hard this game. Oh my god. I don't know what that noise was. That's sad, man. I didn't get an assist.
An ally has been slain.
There we.
Dominating. Shut down.
Oh boy! Woo! That felt good. Woo! Woo! That deserves to be there now. Ah! It's the only good play I'm gonna make tonight. Woo! I deserve that. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, I did. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was so much needed, man.
Enemy double kill.
Alright, I don't know what happened there. Hi! Hi there, Swain! How you doing? I didn't even know he was there. I wasn't paying attention to the map at all. All I see is this star. All I see is this weird monster just making its way downtown. Walking fast.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
I'm just following my support, man. Where are we going? Are we going on an adventure? I'm cool with adventures. My nose did a bitch. Cool. Adventure time. Come on, grab your friends. We're gonna go to all the distant lands. I'm sorry. I got the Cannon and Sir Lucian. The snipes, the black snipes. What? When did I shoot that? Ah! I can't shoot. Matar. I don't want you to get destroyed. I miss you. Don't die on me. No. Tower is returned.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
We got the rapid fire. Should probably also turn the voices back on. In our last game, I was playing with an All-Star. You kept on, you mess with the horns, you get the bowl or something like that, and just non-stop played that, and it was so annoying. Oh man! Poke.
Killing spree.
I didn't even know Minotaur was gone. I feel like that light's a little too bright. But who knows? What do I know, man? I'm not a professional. I don't got an HD camera. Oh! Spooks.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Oh, Lysandra!
Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
I kept canceling my damn auto attacks.
I want to feel everything. The gun makes it so I do.
Alright, Jin. Shut the hell up. That made me so upset. This Jin right here is so bad.
Behind every mask is another mask.
you insist.
Which star is your favorite? I made that one.
The ecstasy of killing. Only perfection.
Well,
Only perfection is acceptable.
never stand in the path of a star.
Wasn't planning to.
Live without the euphoria of performance.
Mr. Big Dragon Man.
My critics are usually short-lived. I've outdone myself
Here, we're gonna get a crap ton of health and mana per
this time. I
second.
provide catharsis
Back for a second.
for my clients and my victims. They call me mad. All artists are mad.
Yeah!
I am a singer without a voice, the dancer without legs. This is
I want them to shoot the one. Pew.
I swear these performances will last, but I buy them with time. It's very simple.
An enemy has been slain.
This will be
I'm just shooting. I missed those shots. I missed them
An icon
terribly.
doesn't have to explain himself.
What I said earlier about I deserve that shot, I don't deserve it. That was terrible.
Has been slain.
It's so difficult to work through.
I mean, thanks for coming.
Enemy has been slain.
Try again.
You have slain an enemy.
What sweet sadness.
Enemy has been slain.
Yeah, they're, you can, yeah.
I would take on the show. I am misunderstood. Beauty and illusion.
Whew, well that went well. I got carried so hard. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Excuse me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.